Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ramon with the Rhodesian Konnection. So, we're going to show you a little bit about our lifestyle here in Turkey and the things that we do here. The reason we've chosen this place to settle. And, I wanted to show you, we get milk directly from the titty. And, it's pulled out and put into a bottle like this, like a 5-liter bottle. And we pasteurize it right here. And my wife is the one that makes this special. It's a special breakfast, kind of like a item called kaymak.
It's like a cream from milk.
Yeah, it's the cream from the milk, and we can also make like cheeses and butter and stuff like that. And we're also, she's making the amazing.
Hold on. I'm gonna turn it off.
Sourdough bread. Look at that sucker in there. Let me pull him out.
I'm gonna do just...
Check out that dude, man. He is like... Looks so...
Okay, I'm gonna...
scrumptious. Julia's gonna pull him out. And let's look at him. With the full effect. Look at that. Now, that is what I call real sourdough bread. And it's filled with a whole bunch of different seeds, from chia to pumpkin. What else is in there, Jewel?
Chia, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds.
Sunflower seeds. Yeah, so this is like a...
Ooh.
It's freaking hot. Be careful. Just look at that sucker. I can't wait to cut into that. Put a little bit of honey and butter. That's freaking amazing. Alright guys, so from the milk that we just got from the titty, Julia just made some cream cheese. Look at that. Homemade cream cheese. Organic. No preservatives. And I'm going to try some right now.
We'll try the one that I just...
Can't wait to dig in. Nice and creamy.
I put a little pepper and salt for him.
Check that out. It's like frickin'. Let's give that a nice big bite. This is the bomb. Way better than the store. And with this organic bread that Julia makes, this sourdough. I put a little more. I'll give that a 5-star thumbs up. Guys, I wanted to introduce you to some of my lovely pets. This is Marco. We brought him in from Florida, and now he's become a Turkish native, and he's a Maltese. He's such a good guy. He traveled through about 5,000 kilometers, or 10,000 kilometers, whatever it is, from Florida here. But
almost 15 hours.
Yeah. Check these amazing dessert that Julia prepared. Don't you wish you could bite into this? So guys, I just wanted to give you like a small glimpse into daily life, and everything that Julia makes is from scratch, and it's just amazing how healthy you can become by following this type of lifestyle. So just follow us along, and we'll show you more about what we do daily.
Follow us on Instagram and Rhodesian Konnection.
And actually, if anyone is in Mersin and they want to join us on our Telegram group, we have a group called Mersin Expat Group. Alright guys, cheers.